Hi. I'm really excited. I got the Forever DX4 body balancing system. That's, restart, reboost the system. And since I got COVID and haven't exercised for a long time, my daughter was saying that, Mama, you are not walking as before. So I set my goal that I would again be fit. I have gained quite a bit weight. Now I weigh the most I have ever weighed without pregnancy. So I have a quite chunk, or around 10 to 15 kilos to, lose. But not only losing, I want to be fit, I want to be healthy. So recently also I did some checkups with my doctor, and my health condition is not at the top. So especially for my back, I need to, strengthen my muscles and get fit again. Don't be so short-breathed when I take up the stairs, and I want to, do what I like. I like to be sporty, I like to hike and be energetic. So I haven't felt that for a while. Very tired recently. So I want to, again balance my system. So for that, good supplement nutrition is important. And so I haven't been so clever with my food, with my nutrition. So I hope that DX4 will, set the target and help me to make a daily routine. After DX4, I have targeted to do C9. That's another program. I will just bring it over here. So it's a continued program after DX4. So DX4 is only for 4 days, and the supplements, I will continue to use the supplements till it's finished, and then I'll add up to C9 Cleanse 9, or for feeling better and continuing my weight loss. And then I'll go over to a 15 days program, a 15, and continue. So I hope you guys, you're gonna stay tuned with me. I will share my journey with you, and my ups and downs. So yeah, let's go through what DX4 system has. So it has a supplement kit with, we have here Lemon Blast. So Forever Lemon Blast with magnesium will help with the muscle. And we have Multiface, Forever Multiface, and Forever Dew Pure, and Sensitive. So and in here we have our aloe vera gel. So it's a mini pack, so it's easy to carry. So 4 of them, 1 for each day. And as a meal replacement, we have protein. But the specialty here is that it is plant-based protein. So it suits for vegan and everyone. So I'm really excited to try the products out. And I will come in more details what this supplements does. I will study them more. And I will share with you. And C9 I will come into when I started. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys encouraged me to continue. I have a couple of times earlier also tried to work out and then given up and tried again, given up, tried again, given up. But that is a progress that, you know, you try again. So I'm trying again, and this time I hope I will stick to it. And because of my back and overall condition, I need absolutely to lose 15 kilos. So at least 10 kilos and 15 would be amazing. So, and also I have injured my ankle, so it's swollen all the time. And it's a little bit too much for my ankle to carry all the weight. So overall, it's now become a health issue. So yes. So stay tuned, take care, and see you again. Bye-bye.